Good morning, everyone. It is 5 a.m. and I was wondering where my Temu package was. So this is my Temu unboxing, but I am so excited. I feel like I'm hot as cool to brown. Hopefully that's not disrespectful to anyone. I am so freaking happy. I love my absolute box of play toys. These are so beautiful. But I was looking yesterday when I was doing this little journal type thing. I knew I used a little flour. I just couldn't figure out if I was right or wrong. And come to find out I did, but I must have put it in a different jar. But I completely forgot about this order. I was shocked yesterday, but it looks like I got two of the same, but maybe a little different because they're tiny. But I'm going to tell you something. I have this magical way I shop on Temu. I don't shop on Temu as much as I used to. Absolutely not. I don't want to become addicted, and I don't want to buy stuff that is going to actually be not of use to me. But anyone who knows me knows I'm a crafter by heart. I am a freaking fan of these right here. I got a nice plan for some cards. Not even books, but cards. And these are going to go great on my cards. These here shimmer like diamonds. They're beautiful. I absolutely love them. And it looks like I got two of them, which is good. They had a beautiful... No. I got three. Now, I have this... I have a few conditions that we're not going to name right now. But I have an issue with numbers. And this... right here shows that I was in that mood right at that time. So let me see it right here. This is one. This is two. Oh, yes, I was. Coral will understand. See, there go three. So I am a freaking fan. And then on top of that, my mugs. I ordered maybe a case or two of mugs. So I get to do my mugs in a few days. You'll get to see me do that as well. Now these I'm not sure what I'm going to be able to do with because they look too small to actually handle, especially with a dangerous nail like that. But these right here, I think I have about maybe 3 or 4 already. So I must have just threw this in to cushion my bag. But I love it. These here, I'm not sure. I know I used this before, but what I'm extremely excited about is this. These I don't know what these bags are called or whatever, but they come with like random foam. Are they foam? They're puffy, put it that way. So hopefully I'm saying it right. But they're all different and they're 3D. So they absolutely enhance anything that you're doing. But I am going to put a pause on the actual books and I'm going to work on some 3D greeting cards. So I actually need these. But what I need is a lot of these flowers here, but I like how they shimmer on both sides. Hopefully you can see that. But let's get it. I have been dying for a circle punch forever, but I'm not gonna lie, the one I actually want is from Stampin' Up, but I don't have Stampin' Up money. Nope, I don't. I actually ooh, yes. Ooh, it's the size I needed. Yes. Let's see how you get this out now. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, ooh, you see that? It cuts real cardstock, and I needed something to cut a higher quality of paper. Now, we're not doing any crafting or anything, but just imagine if this piece of paper was like, say yellow, green, blue, or anything, and then I put the flower on it like that, and then I bumped it off with the gem. Oh, stop it! All of y'all stop! Anyway, this right here is the magic I've been looking for. Now, I have acquired a good hand when it comes to fussy cutting, so I could actually fussy cut this card. Oh my goodness. Does anybody ever understand how a person can be addicted to crafting? Oh my goodness. What an addiction to have. But I truly limit myself to my crafting supplies because that is what holds my mental support down. So I'm a fan, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not too enthused with this bag right here. I'm not too enthused with this bag. I can use it all, and whatever I can't use, I'm gonna make use of. Like if I do a Mother's Day, whatever. I think I could use this bow, but I'm not enthused with this entire bag here. But definitely I can use these flowers. Everything in here is gonna be of use. So I didn't waste anything buying this order here, but this is going to be one of my biggest joys. It is about, I think about October 8th. I will be putting a big crafting order together, maybe somewhere around December. So I'm going to be filling lots of my crafting jars, but in the meantime, I'm going to just be doing my basic crafting. Thank you so much for watching my Temu unboxing. Have a wonderful day.